Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the 2019 Harris 210 Sunliner. This boat is powered by a Mercury 150 4-stroke, has a stainless ski tow bar, stainless boarding ladder. This boat already has the stainless safety railing for the SL layout, which is really popular. Coming into the boat, you'll see plenty of wraparound seating. This also has flip-up armrest, cup holders that are lighted with a spot to keep your cell phones and different things out of the sun. As we're coming here, we have the upgraded high-back helm chair with flip-up armrest, tilt wheel steering. This one also has the total lighting package, upgraded JL audio stereo system, Myriad GPS. This has a in-floor ski locker and plenty of forward seating, again with flip-down armrest. That concludes the walkthrough of the 2019 Harris 210 Sunliner. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.